Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Big O notation, the secret language of algorithms. Imagine you're at a party, and everyone's talking about how fast their code runs. Big O notation is like the cool kid who shows up and tells you exactly how efficient your algorithm is. So let's break it down in a fun way. Big O notation measures two things: time complexity and space complexity. It's like knowing how quickly you can solve a puzzle and how much space you need to store all the pieces. When we talk about time complexity, we're looking at how long it takes for an algorithm to run based on the size of the input. It's like timing how fast you can finish a race depending on the number of hurdles in your way. And then there's space complexity, which tells us how much memory an algorithm uses relative to the input size. It's like figuring out how much room you need to store all your favorite books in your tiny apartment. By understanding Big O notation, you can optimize your code, impress your tech-savvy friends, and maybe even become the life of the algorithm party. So next time you hear Big O notation being thrown around, remember, it's not just a fancy term, it's your ticket to algorithmic stardom.